A seagull gets hit by 160-gram cricket ball.
Trouble.
Umar's down. Robbie Quiney. Oh no. Don't do that. Let's hope not. Let's hope he gets up and flies away.
Give him a cuddle, Bobby. Pick him up and give him a cuddle.
Always been a feature of cricket around Australia, the Seagulls. In the outfield, Bobby Quiney now escorting him off the field. Gee, that ball was hit really hard, wasn't it?
Might not be feeling good, Seagull, but he did save 2 runs.
Yeah, and I spoke to Sammy Seagull after the incident, and it's fair to say that Bobby Quiney's not his favourite player. And you could see later on when Bobby actually tried to help him, you know, Sammy went back hard.
Son.
This is unbelievable. That's him.
That's an unbelievable effort.
That's a bigger recovery since Rick McCosker in the centenary test here at the MCG.
I tell you what, he did a couple of leaning jowlers, Gilly. You see him up on his...
I don't be surprised if he jumps the rope right now.
He's a bit wobbly still, but he's
not happy with him. He saw what he tried to do to him earlier.
Come on,
son,
get yourself onto the ground.
getting the big deep breaths in, isn't he?
Yeah.
Wide open.
Jeez, the crowd have lifted.
Look at him eyeing off Bobby Quiney. Nick McKay. That's been pulled out to the leg side. Oh, the bird, he's back. He wants in on the action again.
Jeez, he's gone right back to where he just got hit. The kid out of that area.
Oh, he's back in the danger zone.
I think he wanted to help Bobby out there. His mate who helped him off the field, one of
He
those.
thought he could save another couple of runs there, I reckon.
That's his area, just deep mid-wicket.
Heavy breaths.
Oh, he's had
I reckon he's gone the ankle tap.
He's had a go
He's
at
gone
Bobby.
the ankle tap.